Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you for stopping by to check out this CB Moneyvine quick message video. And I really try to keep these videos under 5 minutes. So I've got some exciting information that I want to share with you. So stay with me for the next few moments, okay? I think you'll really like this video. Okay, I usually want to begin with, something, a motivational, inspirational thought, something to provoke some thinking, okay? And here's something that kind of captured my attention. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. Think about that for a moment. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. Think about the things that have weighed us down in the past. Things like procrastination, things like not having a vision big enough to compel us to move forward, significantly in our lives. Think about not having a dream that we can chart our course by. Think about, walking in fear and doubt and unbelief and things like that. All these kinds of things weigh us down and keep us down from moving forward and being everything that we were designed to be. Oh man, I could talk about that forever, but I want to talk about the CB Moneyvine system because I believe that the CB Moneyvine system is the best business opportunity for now and the coming year, 2020. Okay, so stay with me again for the next just few moments. I've got something I really want you to see. Okay, now here I am at my team website that I am building, that I'm putting together. It's already full of amazing information, okay? And so you can see here it says, welcome to the CB Moneyvine Peak Performance Team website for team members and prospective team members, okay? And if you go up here, it says, join our #1 business opportunity, the CB Moneyvine system. Get the leads. Now check this out. Get the leads, the customers, the business associates that you need to grow an amazing business. Everything that you need to grow any business is right here with more to be added on a regular basis. My goodness, I tell you something. I've been working on this. I've been putting it together for those that truly want to build this amazing business. I did say that, the CB Moneyvine is the best, business opportunity for right now, the year 2020. And, obviously that is subjective, but I tell you something, it is a powerful business opportunity, okay? And you can come here and you can get some information about the CB Moneyvine system, okay? And if you look at here, scrolling down, you can actually go here and you can get signed up right here, okay? So I'm going to leave my link to my this website here, all right, where you can come and you can check things out. So we're going to go ahead and let that play for a minute.
It never fails. You discover what sounds like an awesome way to make money online. They claim it's free to join, but then you sign up only to discover it's not free after all. Lame. But this time you found the real McCoy in it.
Okay, as you can see, man, you're going to get the real McCoy with the CB Moneyvine system. Now, really quickly, I don't have that much time, but I've got the video of the month here, okay? Solo Ad Blaster here, all right? Solo Ad Blaster 2 here. I'm going to pull this up really quickly. Boom. And go here. It's the YouTube Solo Ad Blaster. Okay, so we've got all kinds of information here. All right, let's get out of here. And I want to show you this advertising works. Okay, we've got the email ads that work here. We've got advertising that works here. And we've got some inspirational, motivational stuff as we go. All right, so advertising that works. Let's go here. And I'm sorry I'm running through this, but I want to keep this under 5 minutes and my time is running out. But if you go here, you're going to find all kinds of advertising tools and resources here. But all through this site, guess what? We're putting things together for those that truly want to build a business. Back to my home page. Folks, I'm going to say this. Grab the link. and come here. Get signed up today. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off. You be blessed. Bye-bye now.